What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler, and as you can probably tell from my table setup, today we're doing an unboxing. Puma has once again been gracious enough to sponsor today's video, so huge thank you to them. And of course, they've sent over an early pair of sneakers for us to check out. So this is actually a shoe or a colorway that I've never seen in person. I think I've seen like a picture online in passing, but I'm pretty excited to open this guy up. Let me just make sure I didn't leave my address on here like I did last take. Okay, we're good. How do you guys feel about me staining this table gray? Like, I really think that would be a cool look. It would make it look more vintage. Not that I'm really going for that look, but kind of like gray, especially with the gray backdrop. I feel like it would be nice. I don't know, it's kind of like a yellowy, I don't know. I know it's totally off topic, but it's just been something I've been thinking about. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. First thing inside the box is a green Puma box. Let's drop this guy out like that. I don't know where to put this. So as you can see, we've got our standard green Puma box. We've got the tag right there in the front, but I'm not going to show you guys because I just want it to be a surprise. And let's just pop this guy open. I realized I might have showed you the tag. Here we go. Of course, we got a note. It says, "Hey Seth, time for a reboot. The RSX hard drive at Puma Sports Style. Thank you again, Puma, for sending this over. Really excited about it. Let's see these shoes. Look at that. How do you guys feel about that? I actually really dig this color scheme. This is sick." So as you can see today, Puma blessed me with a pair of the Puma RSX hard drives, which are their latest RSX colorway. And it also looks like they changed up some of the materials on the upper as well, which I kind of like. Actually, the more that I look at it, it looks like they've changed up a couple things. Like the heel tab is a little bit different. It doesn't have some of the perforations that it had in the original. The material on the side is more of a sort of canvasy or like nylon material, which I actually really dig. Of course, the colorway is different. As you can tell, it's got primarily gray colorway with some black accents, some neon green accents, or neon yellow, I don't know, is that neon yellow? And then some orange accents on the heel. There's also a really interesting sort of rubber texture on the toe and around the lace eyelets as well, which is something I've never actually seen on a pair of sneakers before. Kind of looks like, or feels like, you know, I can't think of any way to describe this. It feels like if you put rubber over top of suede, and you got that sort of like tumbled or rough sort of asphalty texture. So now the question is there any 3M on this shoe? Let's find out. Oh, well, there wasn't any flash, so... So from what I can tell, these gray panels are just plain gray panels, which I actually prefer because I've kind of had an overload of 3M in the last couple months. Brands have just been like throwing it in all their sneakers. Nothing against it, but it's just kind of nice to have some standard gray sometimes. The mesh on the toe is pretty soft, which is nice. Should be comfortable. Obviously, you've got gray laces running up the front of the shoe. You've got a black sock liner right there. You've got your nice little pull tab on the front that says RSX in black. Of course, you've got running system to the right and left of it because that's what RS stands for. And one thing I really like about the Puma RSX is that it definitely fits within that sort of bulky, chunky shoe trend that we're in right now without feeling too bulky or chunky. So it's got the aesthetic without the actual bulk and heft, which I think is awesome. That's one thing that Puma's been doing really well recently, and something that I think started with the Puma Thunder Spectra. They've got that sort of bulky dad shoe look, but they really feel sleek, they feel comfortable, they're not like heavy or anything like that, which is something I really appreciate. The outsole of the sneaker comes in black with the neon yellow and neon orange accent there on the toe and the heel. You've also got your RSX pods in the midsole. You've got black, orange, and then white on the toe. And of course, that really understated Puma logo. It just looks like a linear design, but when you really see it from a distance, you'll notice that it's actually the Puma stripe, which I think is a pretty cool accent. It's clean, it's simple, it's not overstated, but it's not understated. All around, a dope looking shoe. I really like what Puma's been doing with the RSX line, and I'm excited to see what else they do in the future. Now, the Puma RSX does run true to size, so if you're grabbing a pair for yourself, I would suggest going true to size. But if you do have the opportunity, it doesn't hurt to go into a local sneaker store, try on a pair just to make sure the pair that you're getting is the right size for you. If you're trying to grab a pair of the Puma RSX hard drives, they drop on Puma.com and at Puma retailers on August 1st. But really quick, let me throw these RSX hard drives on feet and give you guys a first look. I would love to know your thoughts on the Puma RSX hard drives and whether you're planning to grab a pair for yourself, so make sure to leave those comments in the comment section down below. Huge thank you once again to Puma for sending over this pair of sneakers early and also sponsoring today's video. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.